Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix decreasing battery while charging in your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your battery is decreasing while charging, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. Guys, this first option is you need to check whether your mobile is using maximum brightness. If the maximum brightness is enabled, then it will decrease your battery. And the second is you need to check the applications, which applications are using more battery. For that, you just need to go to the settings, scroll down. Here you need to find battery. Just tap on this battery. You can see here battery usage. Just tap on this. Here you will find the battery usage, and below you will find the applications, which application is using more battery. If some of the applications are using more battery, then try to uninstall that application or try to use less that applications. After checking this, then the third method is you need to check your charging adapter or your charging cable, because sometimes due to this adapter or charging cable issue, this charging will not increase in your Android. It will be decrease. So check your charging adapter and charging cable. If your charger adapter and charging cable is okay, then you need to check your charging connector of your phone, because sometimes the issue will be of charging connector of your phone. You need to check with this with your mobile technician. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix charging decrease. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix decreasing battery while charging in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.